Hello, my dear friends and students. Welcome back to our classes. In today's class, we are going to learn about the English grammar. In previous video, we have studied about the active voice and passive voice in respect with the tenses. In today's class, we are going to learn about how we can change a different type of sentences into passive voice. Let us see the topic along with their examples. Before that, I would like to tell you that please watch the video from beginning till end to understand the concept very clearly along with their examples. I hope that you will do it. Then let's start the topic then.
Well, passive voice. By using imperative sentences, how we can convert these sentences into passive voice. Various ideas like commands, orders, requests may be expressed in passive voice. Then, while converting imperative sentences into passive voice, we need to follow a formula, that is, you are asked, are requested, are begged, are implored, are ordered, are commanded, are told, are advised, plus to plus the verb. The passive structure is rarely used in spoken English to express commands or requests and orders, but the passive structure may be used in making indirect orders or requests and advice. Then look at the examples. Please post this letter. In passive voice, you are requested to post this letter. Shut the door. You are ordered to shut the door. Help the poor. You are advised to help the poor. Don't come late. You are asked not to be late. Be careful of your health. You are advised to be careful of your health. Don't play with fire. You are advised not to play with fire. Get me a glass of water. You are ordered to get me a glass of water. Pay the fees before December. You are requested to pay the fees before December. Show mercy on the poor men. You are begged to show mercy on the poor men. Don't stick bills on the wall. You are ordered not to stick bills on the wall. Apply for leave. You are advised to apply for leave. Don't wait for me. You are advised not to wait for me. Blow out the candle. You are begged to blow out the candle. Stay here. You are commanded to stay here. Teach me Kannada. You are asked to teach me Kannada. Here, these are the sentences. They depend upon their function and purpose. Based on that, we need to use the requested, ordered, advised, asked in the passive voice. Let's move on to the some other passive voice. By using, we can do let. Let is used in some of the imperative sentences can also be turned into passive voice by using let. Look at the example. Post this letter. Let the letter be posted. Complete the homework. Let the homework be completed. Give up smoking. Let smoking be given up. Pay the fees. Let the fees be paid. Send the application. Let the application be sent. Return the book to the library. Let the book be returned to the library. Help the poor. Let the poor be helped. Park the car. Let the car be parked. This is how we can convert imperative sentences into passive voice by using let. Then let's move on to the some other sentences which are having the infinitives in them. Then how we can change them into passive voice. Look at the formula. Subject plus verb plus object plus to be plus verb. An infinitive can be turned into passive voice, but it's not considered natural and necessary. However, most writers think that an infinitive in passive voice is natural and convenient. But we cannot decide whether an infinitive structure should be used or not. So, the decision is left to the learner. It's entirely a matter of personal judgment. Okay. So this is about the infinitives, how they are used in sentences. Then let's look into the examples in active voice and in passive voice. I want to write the letter. Here, to write, the underlined word, it indicates it is infinitive. To write. If there is to behind the verb, it is called as infinitive. Okay. I want to write the letter. I want the letter to be written. I expect Suma to like me. I expect to be liked by Suma. I have letters to write. I have letters to be written. She has children to look after. She has children to be looked after. We have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to be done. I have no problems to think about. I have no problems to be thought about. This is how the sentences which are having infinitives can also be changed into passive voice in this manner. Let's move on to the one more type of a transitive verb and two objects. Okay, a transitive verb is sometimes followed by two objects. In such cases, the sentence may have two passive forms. Look at the example. The principal granted me the permission. The same sentence is converted into passive voice in two different ways without any change in meaning. The permission was granted to me by the principal. The second form, I was granted the permission by the principal. Both the sentences convey the same meaning but with a different sentence structure. Look at example number 2. The headmaster issued me the conduct certificate. The conduct certificate was issued to me by the headmaster. The second form, I was issued the conduct certificate by the headmaster. Look at example number 3. The bank sanctioned me the loan. The loan was sanctioned to me by the bank. The second form, I was sanctioned loan by the bank. Look at example number 4. Suma bought me a good book. A good book was bought for me by Suma. In the second form, I was bought a good book by Suma. And look at example number 5. They offered him a nice job. A nice job was offered to him by them, or in the second form, he was offered a nice job by them. This is how we can change active into passive when a sentence is having transitive verb with two objects. Let's move on to the sentence structure. It's having it is or was time plus for plus object plus passive verb. This is how, if in a sentence it is time to send an email, how this type of active voice can be changed into passive voice. Look at it. It's time for an email to be sent. It's time to stop the work. It is time for the work to be stopped. It was time to apply for the post. It was time for the post to be applied. It was time to repair the mobile. It was time for the mobile to be repaired. It's time to shut the doors. It's time for the doors to be shut. It is time to prepare the timetable. It's time for the timetable to be prepared. And look at some passive voice, the sentences which are interrogative. Look at the examples. Do you speak English? Is a sentence, it asks some questions. Then how this interrogative sentence can be changed into passive voice? Look at the example. Do you speak English? Is English spoken by you? Does your father earn money? Is the money earned by your father? Do they sell books here? Are the books sold here by them? Does teacher love us? Are we loved by teacher? Is Suma singing a song? Is a song being sung by Suma? Are they helping you? Are they being helped by them? Did you post the letter? Was the letter posted by you? Did they sell the shop? Was the shop showed by them? Was he writing the novel? Was the novel being written by them or him? Have you received the letters from your father? Have the letters been received by you from your father? Had she completed the homework? Had the homework been completed by her? Will you help me? Shall I be helped by you? What do you know about computers? What is known to you about computers? How did you pay off your debts? How were the debts paid off you by you? Or how were the debts paid off by you? Okay, this is how we can change active into passive voice. And one more, if the sentence is having that clause, how we can convert them into passive voice then? Look at the examples. We say that he is a doctor. We say that he is a doctor. Here that is the clause. Then how we can change this sentence into passive voice then? It is said that he is a doctor. They believe that he killed his pet. In passive voice, it is believed that he killed his pet. People may point out that he cheated the poor girl. It may be pointed out that he cheated the poor girl. We admit that she has spoiled her life. It is admitted that she has spoiled her life. It proved that he had written the novel. It was proved that he had written the novel. This is how we can change the sentences having the that clause. I hope that, and one more, that is object complement. If the sentence is having the object complement, how we can change them into passive voice then? We elected him president. Here the president, it indicates the complement. Okay, he was elected president by us. We can add the subject. They named her Mamata. She was named Mamata by them. Okay, we thought him a fool. He was that a fool, we can say. I considered Suma very beautiful. In passive voice, Suma was considered to be beautiful, or simply we can say Suma was considered beautiful. Both they convey the same meaning. Okay, this is how the different type of sentences are changed into passive voice. I hope that I tried my level best to reach you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Till then, take care. Thank you.